Leo, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. So, this is an astrology reading. Dito na natin what's the energy Mars in Aries. When Mars enters Aries ngayong April 10 to May 18, 2026. So, for you, Leo rising, so this is happening in your ninth house of higher learning. So, some of you, mayroon na kayong susubukan, no? Pwedeng magsa-start kayong mag-aral or meron kayong exploration of new belief system, no? Pwede rin tong foreign travels, adventures for you, na kung meron mang mga hindi natutuloy na lakad, especially travel outside or abroad, mangyayari na yan. So some of you will be partnering with someone, lalo na kung ito ay may kinalaman sa business or sa mentorship. So you might partner with someone na tutulong sa'yo or magbibigay sa'yo ng learnings. Parang mentorship or teacher coach energy. Some of you naman may travel opportunities with your partner kung kayo ay in a relationship. This can be unexpected travel with your person, or some of you meron ditong support from someone na halimbawa gusto mong magtrabaho or mag-explore. Someone is going to support you with that, no? Can be financially. You have the 10 of Swords, the 7 of Swords, and the King of Swords. Okay, some of you, Leo, meron ditong merong learning or yung tipong may matutuklasan ka kung ano ang intention ng isang tao sa'yo. You might be cutting off connection with this person that you feel na hindi na siya totoo sa intentions niya towards you. This can lead to endings, no? Endings ng relationship, ng connection, na pwede ring iiwas ka rito through traveling or tipong paglipat ng ibang lugar para makaiwas ka sa tao na to. There's also an offer for business or merong opportunity for you na mag-try na mag-invest. But be careful sa investment na yan. Make sure na alam mo kung ano yung background nun, yung pasikot-sikot before you enter sa isang business. So some of you talaga merong challenging situation sa relationship, no? If you are in a relationship, pwedeng magkaroon ng mga, yung ba parang nangingialam. Ayan, pwedeng mangingialam sa buhay nyo. Can be someone in the family na ayaw or hindi sang-ayon sa relationship ninyo. So, kung talagang you really want to pursue this relationship, ipaglaban mo. Pero kung may point naman, kasi pwede kasing yung mga taong concerned sa'yo, alam rin nila kung ano yung red flags sa connection mo or relationship mo. Kaya siguro, hindi rin nila gusto yung partner that you are dealing with. So, yun yung kailangan rin na tingnan mo kasi baka hindi mo lang to napapansin. Okay, so that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.